Hello guys, it's Shaun Thomson. Welcome back to another episode of our Biohazard Airsoft gameplay series. In today's episode, we're back with a brand new game mode, which I'm extremely excited about, Kill Confirmed. For anyone who's never played Call of Duty or other military or FPS games, Kill Confirmed is essentially where you have to kill someone and confirm it by collecting the token, or deny it by collecting the token if it's a team member who's dropped their token. But anyways, it doesn't quite work like that in the conventional sense of Kill Confirmed. This way, it's more so, if I was going to describe it, more like a team deathmatch. So every time that you die, you go back to spawn and a token gets taken off your team. Well, the team that runs out of tokens first loses to the game. So without further ado, let's get into this week's gaming video. Alright, so that's obviously one token down so far, so we have to run up to the marshal, of course. She puts a token in the tub, and then once her pockets are empty and all the tokens are from the pocket into the tub, then of course, that's game over. Well, we're already halfway through it, but you know what I mean.
Is there any point in pushing instead of just holding? There's no point in pushing if we're just going to die all the time. See, as long as we hold them, let them come at us. Feels like the best way to do it, because that's probably what they're doing. Just defend it. You my team, Adam? Sure. Let's get out, boys.
That guy had a fucking ton of lives, him, man. Ton of lives.
Why though? Right?
I thought this was the best idea to do it, really, because in that way they're pushing through and killing us, but halfway through we kind of realised that it maybe wasn't the best tactic.
It's a bit of a shite game, wasn't it? A bit of a shite game. That's what I said. If both sides don't want to push.
I think Brandon can help me out getting through this fucking pallet area. I'm still completely lost. It's relatively new, this new setup, and honestly, man, it still confuses me to this day.
Dead man! Dead man!
That is another token lost for the team.
Man. Here they come!
Oh, we double tap there, can I beat it? And another one away. There's too many shooting at me, so I'd hide in the corner for a little bit. Be a wee camper for a change. Another wee kill. That's
the only downside to grenades, isn't it? That's the only downside to grenades. Hey, blind fire, come on! I was just about to do the same thing. Oh,
nice big grenade after fucking body there.
Alright? No. Hey, fuck it, we're stacking up too much. I tasted that one. Hey, pal.
Let's follow Big Jacob.
Go on, big man. You lost yourself again. Dead man. Come on. Dead man. Sorry, big man, to see you. I know it didn't make a bang, that's normally the giveaway. Go on, hit it, son. That's fucking blind firing that. His pistol comes round the corner.
That is game over. Thank you very much for watching the first ever kill confirmed here at Biohazard Airsoft. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and as always, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.